In this video, I walk through exactly how to use Emoji Kitchen on Android to create unique stickers for your messaging apps. Over a year ago, I posted a YouTube short as a fun piece of content visually showing how to use Google's Emoji Kitchen on Android phones. Since then, it's accumulated over 100,000 views. However, a number of viewers mentioned they were still unsure how to enable the feature. If you're not familiar with Emoji Kitchen, it's a creative tool where you can mix two emojis together to create a unique sticker that you can send to contacts on messaging apps. To access the feature, you have to download and install Google's keyboard called Gboard. Unfortunately for iPhone users, the iOS version of Gboard doesn't include the Emoji Kitchen feature at this time, so you'll have to use the web version instead. The very first step is that you have to be using Gboard, Google's own keyboard for mobile devices. If you're using any Google hardware device such as a Pixel phone, you'll automatically have this keyboard installed and you're using it. If you're using another Android device such as my Galaxy S23 Ultra, you'll need to go to the Google Play Store and search for the keyboard and install it first. Then follow the on-screen prompts to change Gboard to your default keyboard. Once Gboard is installed, there are two ways to access and use Emoji Kitchen on your device. Open the message service that you want to use, such as your main texting app, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Signal, or something else. Now tap the emoji icon next to the spacebar. It's worth noting that tapping on the emoji icon in the dialog box strangely doesn't take you to Emoji Kitchen. Here you'll only be able to select existing emojis. You can also access Emoji Kitchen by tapping on the four squares at the top of the navigation and then the emoji icon. Once in Emoji Kitchen, all you have to do is pick one emoji. Gboard will present you with some options automatically. However, if you choose a second emoji, Gboard will mix the two together plus give you additional options. When you're happy with your creation, all you have to do is tap on it and then it'll be inserted into a draft message ready for you to add text or send it. Unfortunately, not every emoji is compatible with Emoji Kitchen at this time. Finding the compatible emojis is a case of trial and error, and I find myself wishing there was a filter that would leave out the emojis that won't work to save some time. All is not lost if you're using an iPhone. While a little more clunky with a few extra steps, you can search for Emoji Kitchen and visit the web version on your browser. Here you can enjoy the same functionality as the Gboard version, swapping out emojis to create your custom sticker. Or you can completely randomize the results. Once you're ready to share it, you can tap on the share icon and choose which messaging app to share your creation. Also, the web version also works on laptops and desktop browsers simply by searching for it. Thank you for watching, and as always, it would be great if you were to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal technology and the connected home.